Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth connection issues on your Anbernic RG556 console. First of all, swipe down the control center and try disconnecting from your turning off your Bluetooth by tapping on the Bluetooth icon, then turning it on again. Alternatively, you can swipe to the second page on your control center and toggle the airplane mode on and then off again in order to reset your networks. Then hold your finger down on the Bluetooth icon to go to the Bluetooth settings, and here you can try to unpair your Bluetooth device you have issues with. Select disconnect and then try to select forget device, and then try to pair with it once again by tapping pair device. Put your device into pairing mode, find it on the list and then tap on it, tap pair once again, and see if it works for you. And if it doesn't, don't worry, then just try to restart your Bluetooth device and also restart your console by holding down the power button. Select restart and wait until your console is restarted. Once your device is restarted, try to reconnect with your Bluetooth device once again, and if you don't succeed, swipe to the last page on the app menu, select your software update, check for new updates, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and if you have any software updates for your device, then first of all update your device to the latest version. Now let it restart and then check your Bluetooth connections once again. And if nothing helps you, then go to settings, swipe down to the system menu. In system, swipe down to reset options, then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap reset settings and confirm your choice. Reset your settings. Then you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi by providing the Wi-Fi password once again, and then you can try to repair your Bluetooth device once again, and most commonly this step resolves all the issues. If it didn't, then it's probably a hardware problem at this point, and in case you still couldn't connect to your Bluetooth device and couldn't connect to any other Bluetooth device, and then you should reach out to the nearest repair center and let the specialist take care of your console. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.